In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent background in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First, you want to make sure you're in Figma and that you have your project open. If you don't have a project yet, simply go to your team project. You can access it by navigating through your Figma workspace. Once you're in your team project, look for the option to create a new design file. This is where the magic begins. Just click on the Create button. It's pretty straightforward. After creating your design file, you'll be directed to the design area. Now at this point, it's important to set up your workspace. Over to the left panel, you should find a Design tab. Click on that, as it will give you access to the various design tools you'll need. Next, you're going to want to work with frames. On the left-hand menu again, look for the option that says Frames. Clicking on this will let you set the dimensions for your design canvas. You can choose various sizes, but let's go ahead and select Presentation for this example. After you have your frame set, let's select the right dimensions by choosing Slide 16:9. This provides you with a standard presentation layout. Now it's time to add some shapes for your design. On the same left sidebar, look for the Shape tools. When you click on this option, a variety of shapes will appear. Choose any shape that fits your design concept, such as a rectangle or a circle. Once you've chosen your shape, it's important to modify its fill. Click on the shape you've just added, and a Properties panel will appear on the right side. Here, you'll see the option labeled Fill. To make your background transparent, you'll need to select a color for your shape first. It can be any color you desire. After that, we will make adjustments. Go to the Fill Color section by clicking on it, and a color picker will pop up. At the bottom of the color options, you'll find an opacity slider. This is where the magic happens. Set the opacity to 0%. Simply type 0% in the opacity setting to make that shape completely clear. Now, if you check your canvas, you should see that your background is transparent. This transparent background allows the designs or images behind to show through. If you want to double-check your work, you can add different shapes or images behind your transparent shape to ensure it is working correctly. And there you have it. Your background is now totally transparent, ready for you to layer whatever creative elements you want. With this simple technique, you can enhance your Figma design projects, making them more visually appealing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment until you get it just right. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create a transparent background in Figma. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.